Alright guys, so if you guys, any of you guys have a fit-in 4Runner and feel a little underpowered and need a little bit of extra kick, well, we got a solution right here, the Magnuson Supercharger. So we'll give it another 100 horsepower and give you an extra boost to climb up any hills, any mountains, or pass that Prius.
For the tune is make sure you get the tune, attach it to your computer, and then you can go ahead and download the My Genius app onto your computer. So once you download it and connected it, and you have to upload it. So once you finish uploading and then it reads it, and then once it's uploaded, then you can go head over to the vehicle. All right, since now we got the stock file, we're gonna head back to computer and upload to Magnuson's website. So go ahead and connect your device to your computer. Let us do this thing, upload it. Okay, once that's finished connected, you're gonna see in this file, as you're gonna have an option now, it's just download from My Genius. Earlier, you will not see that because there is no file, but now you download it, go ahead and download it, and then download onto your desktop. So you're gonna start the procedure and download it. So we have our file ready. So your file should be .fpf. So that should be your stock file. So, and then you can go into Magnuson's website. For this car we're gonna be doing on the 4Runner. So if you scroll all the way bottom where it says Magnuson's 4Runner roller rocker calibration page, click on that. Just go and fill out all this information, upload your file, and Magnuson will come back in about 2 to 3 days with your tune. And once you get your tune over your email, you're gonna go ahead back to the My Genius app and upload it into your app from that file. And then you can go ahead and upload it to the car. So that's it for now, but we'll just have to wait for Magnuson to come back with the tune.
Trying to run the cooling hose from the supercharger to the radiator to the water pump and to the reservoir. Since everything is all relocated, we have to figure out how to run the hoses. So I think we got it. So we're gonna run from the supercharger down into the radiator. And then from the radiator, we're gonna loop it up into the reservoir. And then from the reservoir, it's gonna shoot to the inlet of the water pump. And then from the water pump, it's gonna shoot back into the supercharger. We just finished installing the Magnuson Supercharger and got it tuned. So let's fire it up and see how it sounds like. It gets up and go, huh?